In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to percentage scale in TradingView. This is a handy way to see how much a symbol has moved in relative terms, which can make comparisons clearer and help you focus on performance instead of absolute prices. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. If you land on the homepage, you can proceed to a chart from there. If you're already on a chart, you're in the right place and ready to move forward. On the left side of the interface, look for the symbols area. This is where you can search for and select the asset you want to analyze. Type in the ticker or name of the instrument and pick the one you want. Choosing the correct symbol ensures the chart reflects the market you intend to track. Next, click Full Chart. This opens the detailed charting view with the full suite of tools. Full Chart gives you the vertical price scale on the right and the toolbar you'll need, so it's the best place to make this change. Now, move your mouse to the right side of the chart, directly over the vertical scale where prices are shown. Hovering there is important because the setting we need applies specifically to that scale, not the chart background. You should see your cursor change and the scale highlight slightly, which indicates you're on the correct target. Right-click while your cursor is over that right-hand scale. This opens a context menu for the scale, not for the entire chart. If you right-clicked on the background by mistake, just try again directly on the scale so you get the correct options. In the menu that appears, click percent. This switches the scale from showing absolute prices to showing percentage change. You'll notice the numbers on the right change to percentages, and the chart will now express movement relative to a baseline rather than raw price. This is especially useful when comparing different assets with different price levels, or when you want to quickly see how far something has moved during your visible time range. A quick tip: if you use multiple panels or indicators with their own scales, make sure you apply the change to the price scale of the main chart, not an indicator scale. Also, if the chart looks scrunched after switching, use your mouse wheel or the scales drag feature to zoom and center the view to your preference. That's it. By going to TradingView, selecting your symbol, opening the full chart, hovering over the right-hand scale, right-clicking and choosing percent, you've successfully switched to a percentage scale for clearer, more comparative analysis.